In a world moving towards sustainability, Eastern Leather is setting new standards by adopting solar energy. With DSG Energy's 1.5 megawatt solar power plant, they are shaping a cleaner, more efficient future. Businesses need sustainable, cost-effective energy solutions to maintain operational efficiency and profitability. DSG Energy, Pakistan's leading renewable energy company, has deployed high-performance Canadian solar panels at Eastern Leather, ensuring maximum energy efficiency and long-term savings. To further enhance performance, DSG Energy has integrated Huawei inverters, known for their high efficiency, smart monitoring, and durability in industrial applications. The impact is measurable. Eastern Leather has reduced carbon emissions and strengthened its commitment to sustainable production.